In 1959, 9 experienced Soviet hikers pitched their tent in the Ural Mountains. They would never be seen alive again. Searchers later found their tent sliced open, cut from the inside out. Their footprints showed they had fled into the freezing night, barefoot and half-clothed. Their bodies were scattered across the snow, some dying of hypothermia, others from massive internal trauma. One had a fractured skull, another had broken ribs, yet there were no signs of struggle. To this day, nobody knows what terrified them enough to run to their deaths.